On the peaceful battlefield in the suburbs, two birdwatchers are about to compete.
Do you need me to tell you what kind of bird has come?
This time, maybe I'll let you know. Cedar Peacock, Tom. My bird feeder can always provide free AI forever, identifying over 11,000 plus birds.
When tradition meets technology, the competition seems to have no suspense.
Okay, I give up. This thing is too powerful.
Do you want to take a look at our backyard's daily visitor list?
The Broem Smart Bird Feeder with camera. Upgrade your backyard. Win the game. Special gifts for wild bird watchers and nature lovers. Outsmart the birds and your friends.